After spending some time in Vientiane and a short time in Vieng, we headed to Luangprabang. Luangprabang was one of the places we really wanted to see when we came to Laos, and here's why. Please support us by liking our video and subscribing to our channel.
5 hours later, we are in Luangprabang. It's been a bumpy ride and quite hot, but we made it, so excited to see our next place.
Just on a tuk-tuk and heading to the hotel now, about 4 minutes. Wouldn't want to war with the cases with it being hot as well, so yeah, it costs about 50,000 kip, and we're there soon.
Right, we're here in our new place. Look at it. Small space here with a small sofa. Look at this big bed. A small desk there. Pretty useful. Towels. Everything we need here is safe. Dressing gown. And let's check the bathroom. Yeah. Ooh, the bathroom's nice as well. Look at it. And then we have a small balcony as well. Love the tails.
That's a good sign.
Ooh. Wow.
Nice little garden.
3 bikes and a small pond as well. Your first impressions?
Yeah, honestly, it's even just driving through the town, it looks like it might be somewhere that we're going to enjoy, and the room, like you said.
And what's great about the room? The Wi-Fi.
No, the Wi-Fi.
That's
I
what
was pointing at the blue colour.
No, the Wi-Fi, we just checked it and it looks like it's really strong, so I think we're not going to want to leave this place. Good morning from Luangprabang. It's our first morning here. We slept pretty well in our new room, really comfortable. We're gonna go and get some breakfast now because it's included. And the funny thing, they came here last night to take our order, which never happened before, so excited to see how nice the breakfast is. I mean, look at this place, like, it's beautiful. A bit of an update. So we came here earlier. We initially booked a place on Sunday. You know, we had to leave because the Wi-Fi wasn't good enough in the previous place. But yesterday we wanted to check with our new place on Sunday that the Wi-Fi would be good enough. So we went to the property, which is located just right in front of this hotel, to find out that the hotel was shut under renovation. The hotel here tried to contact them as well, and they didn't manage to speak to them, so we had to contact booking.com, and they contacted them, and they ended up coming back to us telling us they were under renovation. Well, anyway, we managed to cancel it, and we're going to stay here because we really like it, but we're really happy that we came earlier because it would have been a bit of a shock if you came on Sunday, went to the hotel, and it was completely shut. So good thing in a way that the Wi-Fi wasn't working at the previous accommodation, so we came here early and everything will be fine and no stress. So in the end, we're quite happy about the whole situation. So now that we've managed to cancel via the property for free, we're going to check if we can stay here for the whole stay, because so far we're loving it. So let's go and check now. Ready for the ride? We need to go to a shop first to buy sun cream because we're running out and it's really sunny, so let's go and get some first. First stop and most important stop, sun cream. SPF 50.
Watermelon and mint flavour.
We just bought this for like 60,000 skips, so it's not bad at all. It's still so hot, like we're gripping literally, and we've been out for maybe 10 minutes max. So we stopped somewhere in the center to have a cold drink, but it's really hard to be outside, I mean, especially at this time. So we'll see what we do next anyway. Like Danny just said that, but this is probably the worst we've experienced so far, being in Asia. And well, anywhere else when we've been traveling, to be fair.
Yeah, it's just that kind of heat that does, you know, you don't really want to come out in it because it's that hot. And as soon as you start moving, either walking or on the bike, you're just instantly sweating. So it's not an easy one.
What I enjoy doing the most when it's really hot, a nice ice drink.
Looking at the weather on the phone, because you had it on yours before, but you can see it's updated. But it's saying here that at the moment it's 36, but it feels like 43. So explains a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So it's later on during the day, and we decided to make our way to the night market because it's a lot cooler now. So it's the perfect time for us to come out and see a bit more of this place. We're just stopping for a cold drink because, as you know, it's like really, really hot, so we're stopping for ice chocolate. So they cost just a bit more than £1 each. Initially I wanted ice cream milk tea, but they didn't have it, so I went for the chocolate instead. So it's similar to Vieng. It's mainly like accessories and clothes and things like this. We also have like a type of food court. So we stopped here, there's like a vegan place, really lucky. So we've ordered some pad thai, spring rolls and just some water, and then we'll head back after. But we paid only 75,000, which is pretty cheap. It's what, less than £4 for our tea, so that's really good. I mean, you can't beat this. This is like £1 for like a main dish. So how's this? Very good.
Yeah, you can't beat it.
Yeah. Wine first. Yeah, you can have some. I'll fucking struggle. Not so good. Very nice. Sabadi from Luangprabang. So today is the big day. If there's one thing we wanted to see for sure coming here in Laos was this big waterfall. And today is the big day because we're finally going to see it. So the Kuang Si Waterfall is the big waterfall. So this waterfall is located about 29 kilometers from Luangprabang. So we decided not to go with a scooter because it takes about 45 minutes up to 1 hour. With the heat, it's going to be a bit hard. So we booked a tuk-tuk via a local agency. So we'll be traveling with people on a minibus or a tuk-tuk. We paid 90,000 each, which is really cheap to be fair. The scooter was about 150 plus petrol and then a lot of time to get there. So really excited to go. We'll take you with us while we travel there, and then we're really excited to see it. Right, we just made it. The driver is coming back at 3:30. It's almost 1 o'clock, so we have about 2 hours 30. So let's go and buy our ticket. We don't want to waste any time. So now we have to walk through a path before getting to the waterfall. A lot of nature here, which is really enjoyable. So see how long it's going to take us for us to get there. So on your way to get to the waterfall, there is a bear sanctuary. Can't see. Oh, there's one here actually. Might be the first time in my life I see a bear in real life. So before we came here, I was a little bit interested in the bear sanctuary because people were complaining that they were in like really small places and they should be in like not in a small enclosure and stuff like this. But apparently this space was given by the government like even before that waterfall was popular, and they've been here since. So it's the only place they have so far. It's raining now. We're so lucky. Looks like we came at the wrong time. But to be fair, we didn't really have the choice. We had this plan 2 days ago, but then he got sick. So he's been in bed since. So we made it to the main gate. It's quite impressive, this one. Really high. So there's like different kind of like natural swimming pools, like, you know, part of the waterfall where you can swim. There's not too many people swimming, probably because of the weather today. It's not the best, but it seems like a good place if you want to cool down when it's really hot. So we're back from the waterfall now. It's always like this, but now the weather is very, very nice. It's very sunny. When we were there, it was like raining, so it made it a bit difficult to walk around, especially with like flip-flop and stuff, but it is a very nice waterfall. To be honest with you, it looked smaller than what we were expecting, but it's still really nice. But I think if it would have been sunny, it would have been even more enjoyable. We still had a good time. We didn't stay for so long because of the weather. It wasn't the best or anything, but if it's sunny and you have the time to have a swim, I think it's be even better.